Hey guys, it's Kelsey. Welcome to my channel, The Lioness Within. Today I am going to show you my no makeup look. So this is like for days where you want to wear makeup but you don't want to look like you're wearing makeup, or you just want like a light, makeup look. So if you're excited for that, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so first step of my no makeup day is a Cushing foundation. These are really good for like if you want just like a light coverage, not like too cakey or anything like that. So today I'm going in with the Maybelline Dream Cushion Fresh Face Liquid Foundation on the go. And it looks like this. Okay, and so I'm just going to go in and roll that on the cheeks. I did put primer on. I used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. That's basically the only primer that I really use, so I don't show you guys because that would be boring. But this foundation is so pretty, and it just barely gives you that coverage look if you're looking for that. Got some on the mirror. And then I just roll this. I've tried wiping, I've tried patting. I found that rolling is easier to do. If you aren't really into the Cushing foundation and you still want that like barely foundation-y look, you can mix your foundation with your moisturizer, and then that will give you like a moisturized, like glowy look, kind of. I've never tried it, but I've heard people doing it. They say it's great. So if you want to try that, go for it. Okay. So now I am going in with concealer, because I get darkness in here and like here, but I'm not gonna like bake with it or anything. So I'm just going on the eyes and a little bit below. But mostly on the eyelids, because that's, especially this inner corner, I have a lot of darkness. Okay. And then to blend that out, I'm going to use this little sponge. And we're just going to lightly. So for powder, I am going to go in and set this, but I'm going to set it very lightly, because it is a little sticky, but I'm doing this light. Okay, and I'm going to take this defining brush from Eco Tools, and I'm just going to go into the powder and pat around. This one's running out. So there's not really too much in there. Oh, this seems to work. Okay. Okay. And we don't want this too cakey looking, so I'm not going to add any more product, but whatever product I have on this brush, I'm going to swirl around my face to set the foundation. Okay. Since I'm not baking today, I'm going to go straight into blush and highlight. I'm not doing contour because that doesn't really look very natural. So I'm just going in with blush. And this is what I do when I want to wear makeup, but I don't want to wear like a lot of makeup. So I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Plum Rose. And I'm just lightly hitting my cheeks with that. So it looks like I have color, but, you know, I really don't. And I'm using a tapered brush from e.l.f. So that's, I believe that's what this is. Yeah, small tapered brush from e.l.f. Okay, so now with my next professional makeup brush, Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this is the Sweetest Bling, I think, yeah. And it looks like this. And I'm going to lightly go in like this and have like a slight glow. I'm going to take it down my nose. And we just want to hit all the highlighting points. Make it look like I have a natural glow. Okay. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Milani Most Loved Mattes. And it looks like this. Okay. So I'm going to take a blending brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to dip it into Fancy Vanilla, which is this shade right here. I'm going to go all on my lid with that. I'm going to set my lid. Okay, and then I'm going to take another blending brush and I am going to go in with My Dairy Latte, which is this one. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to put that in the crease a little bit. I think I have something else on this brush, and that's why it looks dark. I need to clean my brushes more than I do. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to take a brush that has nothing on it. I'm going to blend that. So hopefully the dark will go away. Okay. I don't do anything on the lower lash line, or I don't add anything else. Sometimes I will, okay, so sometimes I will add a little bit of highlighter to the eyelid, which I will do now. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some to the inner corner. Okay. I do wear mascara, so I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara. It's like a nice little boost for the eyelashes. Okay. Okay. And the other eye. And I don't apply too much, just enough to like have them colored a little bit. Okay. And so what I do for eyebrows, I have the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer Pencil in deep brown. So what I do is I take the spoolie and I run it across, and then I take this, the color, and I randomly put lines to darken up my eyebrow hair, and then I go back in and I spread that out. Okay. And this one. just enough to darken. And then I spread that out. Spoolie. Okay. So for lips, I put some lip balm on. Which my lips are like really chapped right now. I'm not sure why. I don't know what's going on, but they like hurt and they were like bleeding. Like I'm sure you can see like the scabs and stuff. Like it's bad. I don't know what's going on. My lips don't normally do this, but okay. So then I don't exactly go in with lipstick, but I'm taking the Katy Kat matte lipstick in Pink Paws, and I'm just going to barely touch my lips with this to where it looks like a little bit of color, but not too much. Okay. And to finish that, I'm going to take the Flower Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray, and I'm going to set everything. Okay. I don't think I got enough on this side. It smells good. Does not taste good though. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, so this has been my no makeup day look. If you do something else, tag me on Instagram or Twitter or something. I want to see what you guys do for your no makeup days. But I hope you enjoyed this quick little look. And thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and give me a like. If you want to join the Pride and subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time I post a video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!